Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to be discovering 5 beautiful pink lipsticks for Indian skin tone. And without any further ado, let's get started. First up, why not start with the shade I'm wearing onto my lips, the Swiss Beauty beautiful matte lipstick in the shade Chick Pink 30, and this is the shade right here. Now frankly speaking, this is the pink which is gonna make you feel wow. It instantly adds that brightness, and for some reason I always feel when I wear this pink it makes me look a little more younger than what I am, and it complements my day look, my night looks, and it does not washes me out. So finding a pink, the right pink, without any brown undertone, without any red undertone, or for that matter pinks with peaches, nothing of that sort, a plain pink is difficult to find in Indian market. But Swiss Beauty has definitely given me a beautiful pink shade which complements NC42, which will definitely complement the lighter skin. It's going to be more pinkier for you, and the deeper skin, just put a nice deep lip liner and there you have your pink, because you will need a little more warmth here. So a beautiful pink which I do feel will be catering a lot of Indian skin tone, and it just looks wow. It does not wash you out. So a beautiful formula, affordable, and a beautiful pink for all of my Indian girls. So you should definitely try this shade, and ये तो आपको बहुत easily अच्छे discount में मिल जाएगा. Another beautiful shade, another beautiful formula, Nykaa. The Nykaa Ultra Matte Lipstick in the shade Grace, the most worn pink, and this is my second bullet because I successfully finished my first bullet, so I had to get another one, and this is how Grace looks. They are very different from each other. Grace is a little more pinkier. Now the formula, you know, it's an ultra matte lipstick, stays longer, it just complements my skin tone. It is going to complement all the lighter skin tone, and someone who is 2 to 3 shades deeper than me is going to complement without a lip liner. Anyone deeper than me, just go in with good lip liner and then just fill in your lips, you're sorted. Now this pink is the perfect pink, I would say. It has a lot of pink and it complements the gray looks. You wear a black outfit and you want to wear something nice pink, pick up this shade. Mostly whenever I'm going in daytime, or whenever I'm wearing a dark outfit and I really don't want to wear like a bold lipstick, but I still want to wear a lipstick which stands out and complements my whole look, this is the shade generally I'm wearing, and it just complements the whole look and the whole attire I'm wearing. So this is a pink lipstick which can complement a lot of your looks, and it sits beautifully. So if you haven't tried this shade Grace, which is like a complete pink shade, then you must try. It's well done, well made, and I'll tell you, one of my first pink shades which I love the most is this one. So that is why I have repurchased it. So yes, if you haven't tried this shade by Nykaa and you are interested into a good pink lipstick, then this has to be the one. Another 3 lipsticks are by the brand Just Herbs, but from all the 3 different launches. For some reason, all the 3 different launches had some beautiful pinks, and I could discover few. One of them is the Just Herbs Relaxed Matte Lipstick in the shade Dirty Rose. Again, something which I wear the most. And it's again very comfortable, very beautiful, made for all Indian skin tone. And it just sits beautifully. You see that pink? This one, third one. Again, none of the pinks are similar to each other. Now this pink is a little more, I'll tell you, will complement almost every Indian skin tone, is not going to wash out anyone. I think a lot of you will enjoy this shade because it has a lot of warmth going on. Again, a pink which is more mature pink, because some pinks like the first 2 I showed you are more younger pinks, I feel. So even if you're wearing a sari or something, and if you have done a full official look, then I would not recommend the first 2 pinks. I would recommend this pink to you. So if you want like that edgy pink which just complements your whole official professional look, and you're just going for a meeting but you want to have that nice pink going on, then buy this shade. This is the best I can explain this pink to you. But this is a beautiful warm pink, I would say. And the formula is so comfortable, so relaxed, and does not make your lips feel dry during the day. You don't need touch-ups with this lipstick. So if you haven't tried this formula and this shade, then you must try. I've done a complete review and a swatch video. Do check out that as well, so that you can buy one more shade with this one. Moving on to another interesting pink, and by Just Herbs again, the Ultra Matte lipstick in the shade Bare Romance. And this is the shade Bare Romance. They all look very similar on camera. Camera does not pick up the right shade at times when you place so many shades together. But all are different from each other. And if you are a starter and you really want to enjoy the pink and you're very hesitant on buying any random pink, then I would highly recommend you to buy this one only for starters. Buy this. This will make you comfortable, confident, and you will buy more pinks. This is a shade which will complement a lot of Indian skin tone, almost every, and it complements no makeup and makeup look. And I'll tell you, whenever I wear this lipstick, I get so many compliments that which is that shade you're wearing. But मुझे तो मिलती ही नहीं है pink lipstick. This is the question I get from my friends. From where do you buy your pink lipstick? So this is the compliment you will get when you wear this one. So this is a beautiful shade, beautiful formula, and you see the shade is warmer than the other three I showed you. Formula is rich, highly pigmented. Once applied, you can sit for next 12-13 hours. Even if you eat your full meal, this lipstick is going to be there. And the pink is really rich, and it's a more of a mature pink, I would say. It's not a baby pink. It will complement any age group as well. So if you want to try the first pink, or you want to have that all-in-one pink, get this one. It's beautiful. And the last pink shade, again by Just Herb, which I feel a lot of you may get a little hesitant. So that is why I told you, first you buy the last lipstick I happen to show you, and then definitely you can get into this. So pink lipsticks or pink shades, sometimes people tend to get mistaken and they end up buying very bright, very popping pink, and then they just don't end up liking the pink family. So you have to pick up shades like these to get friendly with them, get adjusted with them, and then later you can graduate yourself to shades like this one. Is the shade Petal Plush by Just Herb Relaxed Matte Liquid Lipstick. Again, मैं तो इसे बहुत comfortably पहन लेती हूँ, but अगर आप नए हो तो just first you buy something which is more comfortable. So this is the pink Petal Plush, and you see it's the brightest among all. So that is why I said, if you are someone who like bright pink shades, go ahead and buy this directly. You're just gonna love it. If you were trying to find out a pink which just sits beautifully. Now there are a lot of pinks in the market. Like earlier I have tried a shade called Talitha from Sugar. It was like a hot pink, but when you stand in front of anyone, they will be like, why is she wearing this shade? Because they may not relate with that pink. But if you wear pink like this, people will not mind. Obviously that's none of our business what people think, but then sometimes whatever we are wearing onto our face can make the other person a little more uncomfortable. And if you're going in a meeting or something, I really don't want you to wear any vague shade. So this pink can be worn into professional gathering or an official party or a non-official thing. You can just wear this shade. This is just going to complement your full-on makeup look as well as your no makeup look. And I love the formula, the way it sits onto the lips, and the shade. It just enhances my whole look. So yes, a beautiful pink again by Just Herb. So all of the 5 pinks which you see here are made for Indian skin, Indian weather, and all the 5 shades are not going to make you look in any way dull or washed out, or for that matter overdone. So all of the 5 formulas are also beautiful, which stays longer, highly pigmented, and they stay without smudging, budging, or transferring. And now you see the whole close-up of the lipstick. This lipstick is also completely dried down, and this is how the 5 pink lipsticks look like. All are beautiful and well done. And there you discovered 5 beautiful pink lipsticks. If you haven't tried any of the shades, Decide which one is made for you. Everything will be linked and listed in my description. I hope you loved watching this interesting video. Consider giving a thumbs up if you really loved watching. Follow me on my Instagram and subscribe to my channel at @BronzingGeek5. I will see you in another interesting video. Till then, you take care and ta-da!